Hi guys, welcome back. It's Yeah, That's Yeah. I know you guys haven't seen me in a long time, but I am back and I am trying to be more consistent, but I took a break that was well needed. Today I am going to be going to Pine Mountain, Georgia to go to the wild animal safari. I'm so excited. For those of you that don't know, right? I love with all my heart animals. And you know, as usual, I have to show you what I'm wearing. Simple but cute, because we don't need to be getting dressed up for some animals. They're not gonna be impressed by the fit. But here's what I'm wearing. Let me flip the camera. Starting off, you guys already know I'm a thrift queen, so this shirt, of course, was thrifted. These pants were not, but they're really cute, really distressed, really comfortable. They're a little big, but they're comfortable. This is thrifted as well. It's really big. And then I have on these I'm a little extra, so I decided to bring out these shades. Y'all ready? I think they're so cute. It matches. I will see you guys once I'm there. Bye. We're here. The food, big bag. Don't do that because you got my chin wet. Okay, one more piece. You gotta share. Oh, you're so cute. Bye, baby. Hi, baby. Open his mouth. Hi, baby. Me a what? You a scary cat.
Oh my.
You keep coming back for more. Excuse me. I gotta go, baby.
Okay.
Mwah. Oh, he's so cute. Here, honey. Here. Yay. So pretty. It's a wildebeest. Here. Okay. Go, because your breath really stinks. A zebra. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's Marty. Oh my god. Hi. Oh my god. It's a zebra. You're so pretty. Oh my god. You're so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay. They're nudging me. Okay. Okay.
Wait.
Here. No, he gets it. Okay, y'all fight it. Bye-bye. I gotta go. I have to go. Excuse me. Bit my arm in my bangle. Look at the giraffes.
OMG.
Do you eat this?
Chuck it for his head.
Okay, no. Okay, here. Okay, here. Good. Ew, you just spit this back up on me. Here.
Look how big. Okay, excuse me.
Look at the little pigs. They're so cute. Here we go. Look at all the zebras. Marty. Okay, relax.
I missed his face.
Guys. No fighting.
And 18.
Zebra. Oh,
Don't give no love.
here. It's a lion nest too. Crammed in this tiny little thing. That's very sad.
Dusty.
Okay. Oh my god, what a
I
beauty.
see.
Oh. Yes. You're so pretty. Hi, pretty. Hi. Here. my phone and the air freshener fell down. He took off. I'm sorry. Here. Hi, guys. Welcome back. Hi, babies. Here. Okay. Okay, y'all Brett really do stink. Okay, I gotta feed the baby.
Chill.
Gingivitis?
Look at you.
Gingivitis.
Did you just hit me with your face? Oh my god. My face gonna break out. Okay, honey. Wait. Here, baby.
Why you not moving?
You're so
Are you
pretty.
smoking something? Because I'm smelling something.
You're so pretty. This one is my favorite. The whole entire tour. This You're so pretty. Okay, people behind me really want to go.
Gingivitis.
Did you just bite my shirt?
Gingivitis.
This one jumped in my car. Has 2 front feet in my car. Don't do that. Ooh, wee. Big boy.
Oh my.
All right, one for you. And I gotta give the last one to your friend. That's it. That's all I have, guys. Okay, babies?
Oh no.
You're drooling in my car. Finish. Nutella! Hi, baby. What's going on? What's up? He about to jump. All my food ran out. I don't have nothing out. I would roll my window down, but I don't need those horns stabbing me.
Hey! They're biting your...
There's no one behind me.
Looks like a handsome cow.
My reflection looks like he's wearing my earring. This one will not move, and this one has done a number on my car, okay? I had to tuck my mirror in because he was banging up on this mirror after he was banging up on this one. And he was doing something in the back of my car, and I gotta check my car for damage. I want to fight.
There's a small one under here nibbling at the bottom of your thing.
I've been stuck here for like 5 minutes because they won't get out the way. And at first it was this one.
Bisons or whatever they are, they were mashing up my car. They did a number on my car. Luckily, there was no damage, and if so, no damage I can see that was significant enough to just catch my attention. They were nibbling on my mirror.
Hey! Hey! Stop!
Now.
They were nibbling on something by the window.
Touch it.
There's something on there that they're liking.
It was at that point where I really started to freak out because not only were they destroying my car, which at first I thought it was fine. Not saying it was fine, but I didn't care too much because they were chewing on this little rubber part by my window. I was like, oh, no biggie. But then they started messing with the outside of my car, and that's when I got scared because they were surrounding me and I couldn't even drive forward because if I did, I would run them over. So I was basically trapped as they destroyed my car. I couldn't even drive, and I started freaking out, as you will see.
Then the other one went around and was banging against my mirror, rubbing his head hard against my mirror.
Oh my Stop! Stop! Distract him with food. No, just go. Just go. Just go. You're gonna be sitting here.
You okay? Are you okay? What happened? The way this animal was looking at me, he most definitely had beef with me in his past life, because ain't no way. This is by far one of the most nastiest looks I've ever received in my lifetime. Look at his eyes. Oh my God. He does have a unibrow.
Beautiful. I don't have anything, baby. I'm sorry. You're beautiful, though.
I don't have no more food. I'm sorry, baby. Baby, the food is finished. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Let me show them your hair. Look at that. I'm showing off your hair. Come here.
Hi.
So beautiful. Gorgeous.
I don't have any. I poked
The camel. Look how beautiful the camel is. So beautiful. Where'd you go? Give him his respect. Give him some space. Now, I'm outside in their walkabout area. Look at the giraffe. Look at him. Look. So pretty. Hi, baby. I like turtles. Let me fix this. I just got attacked by a peacock. I'm smiling, but swear to God, my shin is hurting. Scale of 1 to 10, like a 6.5. We got beef. We really got beef. Oh my God.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh my God, my shin's on fire. But look, you would never see a peacock and a hyena in the wild together. My shin hurt. This is a liger, not a tiger. White Bengal tiger. And then a liger, obviously crossbred by human. Thing alive. We don't know. You're dirty. Whoa, 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 whoa. He is.
He pointed his butt and turned it.
This is kind of sad. I think these animals are, well, the animals that's within the enclosure, they have the tiniest faces, and it's kind of sad.
A lot of these animals are in the cage by themselves, and it's kind of, not kind of, it is sad. Very much sad.
Your butt is flat with sores. At least these ones have a friend. Aww. Somebody's nest fell down. That's so sad. Hopefully it was abandoned nest. Hey, baby. It's a black bear. If you listen, you can hear a zapping sound or clicking sound. That's the electric fence. Quite sad. He's so cute. Why does his hair look like Dog Bounty Hunter? What's killing me, what's really killing me is that these little children, I've seen them constantly tease and taunt this poor bird. The bird is taking off. All I was doing, I was just near the bird and I was looking off to the side, not even looking at the bird. It attacked me for no reason. Unbelievable. But these little kids, and it runs off. No, I'm not even gonna try. Okay, gotta go. This is a alligator. Wow, look at all those spikes. There are two birds in the alligator enclosure. One's all the way down there, and then this one is sleeping. Look at the baby emus. They're so cute. Baby, I just want to say bye. I'm leaving. Jeffrey. Hi, baby. Baby. He's so cute. He's so cute. Oh. Okay, so my face was like that because I was thinking about getting a pretzel, even though I don't think I was. But homeboy was touching the pretzels with his bare hands, even though I just saw him wash it. But still, and now he blowing his nose. Ew. We are in the boondocks. Hi, I'm home. You smell them? Their spit is all over me. Yeah. I'm home. I'm winded. I had a great time. Did I say I was winded? I'm just tired. I enjoyed myself. First off, I don't know. I told y'all about that peacock attacking me, and I was laughing about it, but in reality, that hurt, and I have a big bruise by my shin, and it's swollen. It's like maybe, yeah, like this much of my leg is swollen. And my skin bruises really easily too. But anyway, moral of the story is be careful with peacocks, because they're not playing around like at all. I wasn't even playing around with the peacock. I wasn't even that close to the peacock either. I was near it, but I wasn't that close. And I was looking off while it attacked me. Meanwhile, children were chasing it and it did nothing but run away. But you attack me. Me. What I didn't like was they call it the walk around area, where it's outside of the safari. And that's where you saw the monkeys and the little baby giraffe. Now those animals, I'm just gonna keep it real, they look like they're living in not the best conditions, and they just don't look happy. They're all lifeless pretty much, and that's kind of heartbreaking. Overall, outside of that, I had a great time at the safari though, minus those bisons tearing up my car. If you do go, I recommend getting 2 bags of food. And get 2 bags of food, because I really felt bad because towards the end, I didn't have any food to give the animals. I felt really bad. I didn't even bother rolling down my window because a lot of them already know, like once the windows is down, like they're expecting food, and I don't feel like teasing them. But other than that, had a great time, really great time at the safari park. You could rent a car if you decide to. If you don't want your car banged up, you could rent these raggedy cars they have, and they're probably dirty and they probably have a smell. So I wouldn't do that unless you don't mind. Also, they have bars on the car. I want the full-on experience. So I have my window practically all the way down, except for when those emus came. But yeah, until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye.